Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. Today we are diving into the viral iPhone wallpaper hack that is taking the internet by storm. You might have seen this on social media, the tap to switch wallpaper trick that makes your home screen look like magic. You can switch between dark or light wallpaper just by tapping on the screen. In this video, I am going to share step-by-step instructions on how to apply the same trick on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Before we move forward, we are trying to hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. If you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. First of all, you need to download these two wallpapers on your iPhone. You will find details to download these wallpapers as well as person who created these wallpapers in the description. Now unlock your iPhone and long press on the lock screen. This will open the wallpaper editing menu. Swipe left until you see add new wallpaper screen. Tap plus icon and then select photo shuffle available on the top. When the option pop up, choose select photos manually. Now you need two wallpapers which you downloaded already in the earlier steps. Pick the first one for the light version and the second one for the dark version. I'm okay with how these wallpapers looks on the screen, but you can adjust the size and position for both wallpapers so they align perfectly. Next, tap three dots in the bottom right corner and enable the tap option. This ensures wallpaper switch every time you tap your lock screen. Finally, save it as a wallpaper pair and you are all set. Now you can easily switch between light and dark wallpaper just by making single tap. It's an amazing transition, isn't it? Just like that, you can grab similar wallpaper pairs and customize them as per your requirements. I would love to see wallpaper pair you used on your iPhone using this trick. So don't forget to share in the comments. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to make your iPhone wallpaper more dynamic and fun. So that's all for this video, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.